Resource subsidy is the flow of energy and nutrients with positive or negative feedback within the ecosystem. There is passive flows of energy and nutrients from the aquatic to terrestrial and vice versa. This is termed cross ecosystem. Aquatic subsidy, for example, fish such as salmon contributes nutrients from carcasses and spawning events to support terrestrial food web. There are as well terrestrial species that feed on salmon, and also there are aquatic invertebrates such as stoneflies that derive food from salmon and in turn provide food to terrestrial species such as birds in riparian zone. The birds live and defecate feces in elsewhere to add nutrients to other environments. These feces could as well be broken down through decomposition, and this will serve as food for terrestrial organisms. Flooding of stream and movement of the organisms, algae, play a crucial role of transferring nutrients and energy stock for high flows to herbivorous species and help to generate plant germinations. These movements are limited to the distance covered by the organism from the stream. In many ecosystems, production of carbon is not enough to support food web. This carbon that enters the aquatic ecosystems get taken up by microorganisms like bacteria and algae, where the carbon may go up the trophic levels by being consumed through synchronizing the nutrients in the terrestrial ecosystem for plant growth. The high degree of connectivity between the land and water are essential to biodiversity conservation and to ensuring that critical aquatic terrestrial ecosystem services are sustained. When one is removed from either of the ecosystem, it will cause acceleration of succession, leading to dominations by plants with low litter quality. In other way, affect the subsidy for aquatic species to live on. This negative effect arise will hamper fish productivity as a result of reducing nutrients availability in the riverine zones. This will variably change the whole links and the entire food web will be upset, and it can lead to loss of diversity in the ecosystem. Thank you.